How do government campaign account for the 4 key indicators? We analyze them in detail next. The 4 key indicators involved in the government campaign are GDP, CPI, unemployment rate, and total personal income. And we'll go over them in that order next. Let's first look at how GDP is calculated. First, select Government in the software system. Click on View Data. Click on Production Approach. Select the first year, as shown in the picture. We use the production method to calculate GDP. GDP calculated by the production method is equal to quantity produced by each group in the year multiplied by unit value added. Let's take the example of Automobile 1, which produced 1,200 cars at a sales price of $15,000 each, and spent 1,210,000 tons of raw materials, at an average price of $6,250,000 per 10,000 tons of raw materials. Then we can calculate according to the formula. IO1 GDP is equal to 1,200 multiplied by 15 minus 1.2 multiplied by 6,250 is equal to $10,500,000. It is important to note that the GDP growth rate is calculated for each subsequent year as real GDP at the base price of the first year. Second point, how is CPI calculated? Average price of home appliances is equal to total amount is divided by total quantity. For example, the average price of the second year of appliance 1 is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 12,000 plus 1.6 multiplied by 15,000 plus 1.5 multiplied by 12,000 plus 1.6 multiplied by 12,000 is divided by 12,000 plus 15,000 plus 12,000 plus 12,000 is equal to 1.553. The same method is used to calculate the average price of an automobile. If there are 4 home appliances and 2 automobiles, then the weight of home appliances is 2/3 and the weight of automobiles is 1/3. The average price of home appliances increased in the second year. 1.553 minus 1.5 is divided by 15 is equal to 3.53%. Because the average price of automobiles did not change, so the average price of automobiles increased by 0. According to the CPI formula, CPI in the second year, 3.53% multiply by 2/3 plus 0 multiply by 1/3 is equal to 2.35%. The third point is, how is the unemployment rate calculated? Select Labor Bidding. Bidding. Select Details of bidding results. Select the second year. We can learn from the labor force bidding results that the number of workers waiting for employment this year is 70. The number of frictional unemployed is 100. And the total labor force supply is 1970. The unemployment rate is derived from the formula 70 plus 100 is divided by 1970 is equal to 8.63%. How is the fourth point of total personal income calculated? In the software system, select Government. Click on View Data. Click on Income Approach as shown in the picture. We can check the data of each company's previous year from GDP calculated by the income method. Personnel salary, land lease fee, advertising fee, technical renovation, administrative expenses, and interest, and total personal income. is equal to the sum of the above items of all manufacturers. Thank you for watching.